I am here today to show you how to remove burnt particles from your cast iron from days to days. So if you want to see how I made it, please watch the video to the end. So we will be needing baking soda. And here you can use any brand of choice and then vinegar. And we will be needing water as well. So next, I am going to add some baking powder into the pan, and this will help the burnt particles to loosen up. I will then add small amount of vinegar and then add water. And here I am going to put it on the heat, on medium heat, and allow it to come to a boil. So guys, if you're new to my channel, please don't hesitate to subscribe to my channel and then like my videos, okay? And make sure to turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I upload a new video. So once it comes to a boil, allow it to cool down. And if you notice it is still attached to the pot, I mean the burnt particles, just use a spatula to scrape it just like this, or you can use a wooden spatula as well. So here I am going to discard the water and then I will be back with the pot. And now we are going to clean the pot. Guys, please make sure to avoid this type of scrub, okay? Because it will scratch your pot. Just use this foam scrubber and you're good to go. So I am going to add liquid soap and then water into the pot, and I am going to give it a good wash. And guys, I wore this dress this same day, which my mom got for me when she went to Mecca some years ago. And unfortunately, I lost her the same day after shooting this video. I think an hour or 2 hours later, I lost her. May Allah forgive her all her sins, give her al Jannatul Firdaus Sadaqah, and grant her eternal peace in her grave. Ajabiba, I miss you so, so much. May you continue to rest in peace. So here I have small particles left and they think they are stubborn. So I used my fingers to remove everything. Make sure not to use a spoon because you will leave a scratch on the pot, okay? So after washing it, I will rinse it completely and then clean it with a microfiber towel, and then our pot is all new again. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, okay? And like my videos, turn on your notification bell to get you notified anytime I drop a new video. And this is our pot, all looking clean and fresh and new as usual. See you in the next one. Bye.